Hey everybody, so this is part 7 of redoing the Winchester folding pocket knife, and I screwed up the blade. I was grinding a little bit more so that it would fold better. I ground too much off and now it won't lock, so I'm kind of ticked off about that, but what you gonna do? So I'm making a new blade, same piece of lawnmower blade, and I got charcoal. That's what I use all the time. It's going good. Same setup, blower and whatnot. I put a catch here for ashes, just because I was having problems with ashes and coals falling out. Didn't want to start a fire. Got a little roof over my anvil this time because it was raining. Still kind of spitting a little bit, drizzling. Ugly weather. Ugly weather. It's cold. A little bit cold. I got long underwear on. Overalls. So, yeah. At least I got the forge to warm me up, eh?
Yeah.
So, right now I'm just heating it up. It looks like it's almost ready. You can see it in there. So I'm gonna let you guys go, and I'm gonna make this blade. See you later.